Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. I hope that everyone is fit and fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. You can see it's a very beautiful nature of Russia University campus. I really like this campus because it has too many trees, and also the sublime beauty of this campus is really beautiful. So how are you and how is going on your study? Especially if I say about speaking of English. English speaking is very important for your life and for your career. So my question is, are you practicing English every day? Because I want to make you a best speaker of English language. So if you want to be a great speaker, if you want to be a public speaker, if you want to be smart, then you have to learn this language. So do you want to learn English language? Then you have to practice. The more you practice, the more you learn. The more you learn something new every day, the more you be perfect every day. So if you want to make yourself perfect, the perfect man, then you have to grab this communication skill. You know, English is one of the best thing if you want to improve your communication skill. It's a soft skill, right? So do you want to improve your English speaking level? Then you have to learn it. So that's all for today, and I'll see you on my next video. Thank you so much.